Good morning to everyone. Today I'll be telling you that how many athletic events are there in athletic, and first of all tell me how many athletic events are there. Anyone? So there are 44 events in total. These events or track and field events are divided into three broad categories. What is that? Track event, field event, and combined event. The field event are again of two types. What is that? Jump and throw. So these 44 events can be divided into their different event areas, beginning by separating track events. What is that? All of the running and walking events. Now from the field event, all of the throwing and vaulting event. There are also two multi events. What is that multi events? Decathlon and heptathlon. Why it is multi events? Because it is having combined event, which combine disciplines from both track and field. That's why it is known as combined event, multi events. That is decathlon and heptathlon. Now I will be telling you the specification of athletic event, including their equipments. So today I will be dealing with the throw event, shot put, discus throw, and the last one is hammer throw. So first of all, let me tell you about shot put. What is the weight of the shot put? For men it is 7.026 kg and for women it is 4.005 kg. What is the angle of the shot put sector? The angle of the shot put sector is 34.92 degree. Now diameter of the circle, that is 2.135, and the diameter of the shot for men it is 110 to 130 mm, whereas in case of women's it is 95 to 110 mm. Now stop board. The length of the stop board or toe board is 1.21 to 1.23 meter long, 112 mm at the center and 300 mm at the side. That is the wide of the stop board or toe board, and 98 to 102 mm high. All the lines used for making the shot put sector will be of 5 centimeter thickness and 0.75 meter long, extending from both the sides. Now let us see the next event. What is that? Discus throw. What is the diameter of the circle? The diameter of the circle is 2.50 meter. Weight of the discus for men it is 2 kg, whereas for women it is 1 kg. Angle of the sector is 34.92 degree, the same as it was of short put. Outside diameter of the metal rim of discus is 219 to 221 mm in case of men, whereas in case of women it is 180 to 182 mm for women. So this was all about discus throw. Now let us see the hammer, the most interesting event of athletics. What is the weight of the hammer for men and for women? For men it is 7.026 kg, whereas 4.005 kg for women. Length of the hammer 17.5 mm to 121.5 mm. Diameter of the circle same as of short put, 2.135 meter. Angle of the sector 34.92 degree. Now length of the hammer measured from inside of the grip. As you all know, there is a grip in hammer. Even in my next video I will be showing you the hammer. What is hammer? So length of the hammer measured from the inside of the grip, how much? 1175 to 1215 mm. Now diameter of the head of the hammer, that is 110 mm to 130 mm. Center of gravity of head, center of gravity of head, what is that? Not more than 6 mm from the center of the spear. So this was all about the specification of the 3 athletic events: shot put, discus and hammer throw, including the equipment. So next video I will be dealing with the other events, their specification including the equipments. So for today, thank you.